Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 762 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I was really feeling a dollar store Shopmissa makeup product, so I reached into my box of all of my different products that I'm waiting to try out from Shopmissa in the dollar store, and I pulled out the Malibu Glitz Sparkle Magic Glitter Lipstick because this just looks like so much fun. It looks so pretty. I love glitter. I love lipsticks. So let's give this one a try today. So since this is from Shopmissa, that means it only cost $1 and it's cruelty free, which doesn't get much better than that for a makeup website. And this actually has some pretty good ratings. So that makes me even more interested to try it out because I feel like you can really go off of the ratings on the Shopmissa website. Like the products that are usually pretty low rated, I end up agreeing with those low ratings. But then if it's a pretty high rated product, I end up being really impressed by them most of the time. And so, cute packaging. Like look at how cute that is. Like I think this is cuter than some high-end lipsticks. This is beautiful. And I got the shade Velvet Diva. So on the Shopmissa website, I believe this comes in 6 shades and they're all metallic shades. So they have a range. They're not all reds and pinks. I saw some golds, colors like that, which are really fun. But oh my gosh, I'm just dying to swatch it. That's beautiful. Although I think I might have broken the lipstick off, so I'm gonna be very careful. But that is beautiful pigment, creamy texture, and it has a lot of glitter in it, like I was hoping. So I'm glad it's not just straight glitter. It actually has color pigment with it. So this looks so pretty. Okay, I'm really excited to wear this. My gosh, so pigmented. But it's like all slanted because it broke off at the bottom. I might have to melt that back together. Oh, such a bummer because this seems like an amazing lipstick. This is seriously so beautiful. And it's really easy to apply, like so pigmented and has a nice pointy shape to it. So I can get really precise edges. Like this looks more beautiful on the lips than I was even expecting. Like such full, gorgeous color, but then also still so glittery that the glitter is everywhere, like throughout the entire lip. And the shade is so pretty and flattering. Like it's a classy glitter lipstick. But I will say there is a little bit of a gritty feel to it, but that doesn't really bother me. But I know that does bother some people, but the glitter is enough that you can kind of feel it. Now I'm curious, the wear test. Yes, that is a lot of transfer, but such a pretty kiss mark. It's got sparkle in it. And it faded, but the color is so pigmented that it's still pretty intact. Yeah. This lipstick is so nice. And I don't even feel like I've tried a glitter lipstick like this. I think that this should be the lipstick trend because it is so beautiful. It's a little different than the classic lipstick, but not too different that it makes it at all unwearable. This is so beautiful. I would really like this in more colors, like more like traditional wearable colors like reds and pinks, because it is a gorgeous formula, a gorgeous lipstick, and only $1. Wow. I'm so happy I have this in my collection. This will get so much use because I absolutely love it. I love the color. I love how it looks. I love how it applies, the formula. It feels very comfortable on my lips, even though it has that gritty texture when I do rub my lips together, but it feels hydrating. It looks completely smooth. So let me do a zoomed in view so that you can get a good look at that glitter. And that's after all that transfer. It's still so beautifully intact. I love an amazing $1 makeup product, and that is exactly what this is. If you've tried it out, I would love to hear your thoughts on it in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.